Alright, so this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open. So to me, I was like, man, I gotta take this whole thing apart. So here is where it broke from. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did mess with it. That's why I decided to do a video on it, because I was surprised how easy it looked. So, see this right here? There you go. This thing just came off, and there's the controller that we need. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this right here. And I'm gonna start taking it apart, and hopefully we can use this same USB port. Last thing we want is to damage these connectors. There's that one, and then this one. There you go. Alright guys, so here we have the controller. So let's see if we can take this off. Yeah, we can. It's just clips. Alright, so don't forget how this goes, alright? This goes like this. So I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna put it right there. And I'm gonna take this over to our solder station and see if we can use this. Alright guys, so we have the board under the scope and its little USB port. Now you can clearly see right here that it is broken off. Right here, you see that? Let me see if I can zoom in. So these little pegs here, or the little arms or legs, they're broken off. Look. Let me turn it around. Yeah, see, they go here. So we're gonna need a new one. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this area up real quick. I'm gonna just try to get all this . Now guys, let me just go ahead and order it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and order this piece, and when I get it back, I'm gonna come back to this motherboard and I'm gonna install it, and we're gonna see if it works. Alright guys, so we finally got the part. Actually, I took it off of this control board I had here, so I knew I could have found it somewhere, so I just removed it from there. Now we're gonna try to put it in here, but as you can see, there's still the holes are still covered. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some flux right there, and let's hope that we can get all that out of there. Alright, so there you go guys. So we got those holes cleared up. Now we'll be able to put our new USB connector, I guess. USB port. There you go. Here's the new one. Notice how it's going to sit nicely in here. should anyway. So here you go. It fits nice in there. Go ahead and, oh man, it's gonna be tough because of this thing here. Okay, so there it is. You guys can see that the pins are nicely in here. What a lot of people do, a lot of companies, they will kind of bend these little pins. They'll bend them in. So I'm gonna do just that. I'll probably use my screwdriver. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. Let's use something else. I'll use the plastic end of my screwdriver, or maybe just the back of the tweezers. There you go. So we'll just do that. Cool, and then these, we can bend them a little bit. You don't want to break them. I mean, you don't really need to bend them. I just saw that these were bent, so I'm doing the same thing. So now we're going to apply, put our fume extractor right there. Apply some flux all over this rig. And to solder away. There it is. I'm just gonna clean the rest of it up here with a little bit of alcohol. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and just tack it on. I'm gonna go ahead and just tack it here on the sides, so I can show you guys. Right there. Give it a little bit of flux. Same with this side. And get a little bit of solder. And go ahead and just wet this real quick. There it is. On this side. A little more solder. And there it is. Sorry if I was out of focus there, guys, out of the camera. Give it its final cleaning. And there you have it, guys. Brand new USB port connected from this old printer. We're ready to go and install it. Alright guys, so we got the printer right here. We are gonna go ahead and install the controller. So this one, if you guys remember, it goes something like this because of all these connectors. Alright, and the last piece. Oh yeah, feels good. Let's see, this goes first. Which goes this way? Oh yeah, I think it goes this way. No. Let's see. You guys, that's no fun. You guys are not able to see it.
5 minutes later.
There it is, guys. Now this thing doesn't want to close for some reason. See if I can use these tweezers. Oh, there it is, guys. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Did you guys hear that? Setting up a device. We're setting up the HP LaserJet. Let's do 911 gadgets.com. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, check out our website. We got tools, parts, and training. 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. You'll get access to our group, and in that group we talk about everything: computers, gaming, well, gaming rigs, cell phone repair, micro soldering, parts, everything, guys. It's a really unique group in Facebook. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.